Welcome, guys. It's Red, White, and Boosted. I'm Colin. This is my 1970 Jaguar, and we are in the middle of a British car graveyard here, but actually it's not. It's Neil's Restoration. Come with me. This is Neil's Restoration. They've been open for 30 years. Neil is one hell of a guy. He sold me my Triumph. This is Neil. And he works on British sports cars here in the Atlanta area and has since 1991. So, this is his wife, girlfriend, fiance's MGB. He also has this black one right here that has a V8 in it. And yeah, he's a really interesting guy. I'll probably get into more of that later, but he's taking a look at the Jaguar. Not quite the best running example, but our goal is to get it that way. Neil has had 2 or 3 E-types over the years and is really, really knowledgeable about how they work and what their hot buttons are. He thinks it's a little odd that it's running hot. It actually overheated as I pulled in, so we're going to figure that out.
You say the fans do work? Yeah. Were they on when you got here?
If I turn the key on, shouldn't they turn on?
Not if they're properly operating from a thermostat.
Okay.
See that switch? No, we can make them run. All we got is hot wire. But I was just wondering if they were running. Yeah, that's possible, but I mean, who knows? At this point, all we're trying to do is, you know, if I had a thermostat, which I doubt, I'm talking about a thermostat that goes right there.
Oh, right. Oh, Riley's got him, right? Neil was pissed that I brought this to him on a Sunday. He was just trying to enjoy his afternoon. All right, guys, so at this point we've taken the thermostat out and we're just gonna try and work without it. Put the thermostat housing back on, but Neil just said that someone broke it and he muttered under his breath that it definitely wasn't him. Oh, it's missing a ear. Ever since I pulled in this parking lot.
Yeah, it broke.
It broke.
It was good.
It was great before it got here.
I know, it was running. You have good insurance?
Yeah, do you? This is the other car that I really like here. Austin Healey. They got this one running. And then, of course, this S-type Jaguar.
So we'll put this back on.
No half gasket. How do you know exactly where your Jaguar gaskets are?
I was looking for a housing.
Oh. For an E-type?
Yep.
What would make you think you have one?
Well, I've got a manifold over there, so.
Fair enough. How's it looking there?
Okay.
So you don't fully ever take these off. You just tilt them all the way forward.
The bonnets?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. We've taken many of them off. There are times. There are times.
Do you hate having this camera on? You're made for TV, man.
Shit.
You're like a real Tom Selleck right there.
Yeah.
You gotta teach all these youngins all about this.
Yeah, I don't have any objection to that. That's for sure.
I can't believe you had that.
Well, we have worked on a Jag or two.
I'm not saying you haven't. It's abnormal for shops these days to have obscure parts.
Oh, we got 2 more.
I saw that. So if this doesn't work out, You only have one left. You know, Marilyn loves seeing you on camera. Do you know that?
Yeah.
Every time I see her, she asks me, when are we gonna make a video about Neil? I think he'd be great on camera. That's what she says, man. Isn't that funny?
Yeah.
She's your biggest
I don't
supporter.
think she means that when when you haven't been to makeup. I haven't been to makeup.
She's your biggest supporter for sure.
Yeah, I have not been to makeup.
Well, that's nice. It's studded? Or one of them is?
Except this one.
Cool.